Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, cooled seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, panorama sunroof. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, power lift gate, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.